NOLA Gent here at Jung's Golden Dragon 2.
Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll. In this episode of our New Orleans travel vlog, we are in Uptown New Orleans, where the Irish Channel and Garden District meet on famous Magazine Street, which is one of the major economic arteries of New Orleans. Jung's Golden Dragon 2 is located at 3009 Magazine Street, which is about 10 minutes and 3 miles away from the French Quarter. It's right down from Joey K's that we have a previous review video on, and we'll have a link to that at the end of this video. So, first we feast with me on some great Chinese food here at Jung's Golden Dragon 2 for an epic mealtime as we enjoy this Chinese restaurant review video of this really interesting place. So Jung's originally started out in Metairie, and then they moved from Metairie to New Orleans, which is sort of the opposite of the trend of many restaurants. But let's go ahead here and head on inside and check this really interesting place out. So they have some good stuff in here, and they have both a regular menu and a Chinese menu, so you can get a lot of great selections here. I've eaten here many times, both in their old Metairie location and here in their Magazine Street location. And it's always been a good experience. It's a easy to get into place, and the service is usually very quick and efficient. So we're gonna sit down here, and it's a very narrow place in a shotgun style like you would expect in New Orleans. So they have the tables lined up and then a bar right next to it. So you can have a good time in here. Now let's check out this menu. So we have chef specialties with a Grand Marinade, shrimp and honey pecan, seafood platter, happy family, triple delight, mango chicken or shrimp with vegetables, conpo calamari, Thai curry, chicken or shrimp, scallops with vegetables and black bean sauce. Then we have pork with mushu pork, sauteed pork with Szechuan pickled cabbage, roast pork with Chinese vegetables, river shang pork, pork with garlic sauce, pork Szechuan style. Then seafood, shrimp with cashew nuts, shrimp Szechuan style, shrimp with broccoli, compote shrimp, shrimp with lobster sauce, Hunan shrimp, shrimp with garlic sauce, scallop Szechuan style, sweet and sour shrimp, shrimp with black bean garlic sauce, shrimp with Chinese vegetables. Then we have duck, Peking duck, sauteed half duck meat with onion and garlic, and mandarin duck. Then we have vegetables with tofu family style, steamed broccoli, tofu black bean and garlic sauce, snow pea with garlic, combination of fresh vegetables, eggplant home style or Szechuan, sesame or General Tso tofu, steamed or fried, tofu with vegetables and hot pot, sauteed baby bok choy with fresh garlic, golden dragon vermicelli noodles with pork Szechuan style, mapo tofu Szechuan style, very spicy with pork, sauteed string bean, lo mein noodles, chicken lo mein, vegetable lo mein, beef lo mein, combination lo mein, shrimp lo mein, seafood lo mein with shrimp, crawfish, and scallop, Korean noodle soup, Jung with beef, shrimp, and scallion, beef noodle soup Taiwan style, lo mein, chicken, shrimp, pork, and vegetable, sauteed Singapore thin rice noodles, curry flavor. Then our entrees with chicken, sesame chicken fried, mugu gai pan, General Tso's chicken fried, chicken with almond or cashew, mandarin chicken fried, chicken with pecans, boneless fried chicken with Chinese vegetables, chicken Szechuan style, sweet and sour chicken fried, conpo chicken, lemon chicken fried, curry chicken, chicken with orange peel fried, garlic chicken, chicken with broccoli, chicken with snow pea. Then we have beef, pepper steak Chinese style, beef and chicken Hunan style, beef with Chinese vegetables, beef and shrimp Hunan style, beef with broccoli, beef with orange peel, beef Szechuan style, beef with snow pea, curry beef, sesame beef, Hunan beef, Mongolian beef. Then we have side orders with appetizers, an appetizer tray with spring rolls, ribs, fried shrimp, shrimp toast, fried wonton, crab ragoon, barbecue ribs, spring rolls, vegetable rolls, fried wontons, shrimp toast, pan-fried or steamed dumplings, crab ragoon, onion pancakes, cold sesame noodles, Dondan noodle crispy. Then we have various types of fried rice with steamed brown rice, roast pork fried rice, beef fried rice, shrimp fried rice, chicken fried rice, combination fried rice, vegetable fried rice. Then we have soups, wonton soup, seafood soup, egg drop soup, hot and sour spicy soup, and vegetable soup. Then we have a selection of wines, beers, tiki drinks, mixed drinks, and other drinks. So I got the chef's specialty selection of the Triple Delight, which is sauteed beef, chicken, and shrimp with vegetables. And it looks really pretty and smells amazing. So let's dig in here. First of all, we're going to mix some of the rice here on top of it and make for a really large meal. That's a lot of rice. I don't know if I can eat all of this with the rice added. Whoa, this is going to be a lot of food. I don't know. Comment below if you think I can eat all of this. I'm not sure. This is such a large serving. I'd want to eat just half now and half later usually, but I didn't eat all day, so maybe, just maybe, I can finish this huge plate of food in one go of it. But I don't know. This is a whole big pile of a whole lot of great, delicious things. So we will see. Here goes the shrimp. There's some really good flavors in this Triple Delight dish. I'm definitely getting some hints of garlic and a little heat. Let's try this broccoli now because I need my vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables are very healthy for you. You need to make sure you eat plenty of the cruciferous vegetables. Okay, I got a little beef and a little chicken combo here because, hey, who doesn't want a combo? Maybe we should do a Triple Delight combo. Let's see. Let me get a piece of beef, a piece of chicken, and ooh, here's a shrimp. So here we have the Triple Delight all in one bite. Oh my goodness, it's so steaming hot. Look at all that steam. Oh, such good flavors. A little carrot in this one with a bite of chicken and carrot. They go very well together. I like those flavors. Just love the flavors of all of the chicken and vegetables and beef and shrimp that all go together. It's so nice. Oh my gosh, look how big this chicken slice is. Ooh. Really good flavors. I'm very happy. Everything I've had here has been very good. I don't think I've had a single dish I've ever been disappointed in here at Jung's. So it's always nicely flavored. They do a lot of good spicing to it. So definitely it's cooked perfectly every time. So consistency is definitely something you can say about this place. They do offer some really nice lunch combo plates here. And of course, you know, with that, you're getting an egg roll, a soup, and so your entree is not going to be quite as big as this one. Ooh, a little broccoli chicken combo, so good. Go ahead and destroy that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you like to destroy your broccoli and other vegetables like I do. It's so good. Just keeps me healthy to eat all these veggies. It has been said by some people that the only vegetables people in New Orleans get is when we eat Chinese food. Now that is not accurate for most people, but I do know some people, my little nephews for example, the main vegetables they get in their life is when they might eat some stir-fry rice. And speaking of rice, there's a lot of it in here. Eating just the main dish would not be a problem, but once you mix all this rice in it, this is really a challenge. I'm already getting very full, but this food's so good. Look at these giant shrimp. Oh, so tasty. They have such good things in here. Ooh, every bite is just full of flavor. I'm just so happy with all of the different items in here that just make for such a variety of flavors that combine together. Look at this wonderful piece of beef. Ooh. Oh my goodness, it's really well flavored, perfectly cooked. And look, I think this is a zucchini squash piece. The veggies are all good as well, so I think I'm definitely getting my 5 to 7 different fruits and vegetables serving in just this one dish. Now, I would like to cut back a little on the rice. Usually I would not eat this much rice in my usual life of eating, but for all of you out there, I'm going to make it a challenge to eat all the rice as well, or as much as I can. Getting really full at this point though. To get all this rice down is not going to be easy, because usually I would put not even half the amount of rice to mix in with this as I did for this episode that we are enjoying in the NOLA Gent Channel world right now. So I do try to be a little lighter on the carbs and especially the rice, but Let me tell you, the flavors are all soaking into the rice. It tastes delicious, so it's hard not to eat it all. Oh, I had a little accident, dropped out of that bite, but it's still a good bite. So it's every flavor of every bite is a little bit different, but very delicious. So this is a carrot. I think I have a little mushroom piece. Well, the mushroom escaped, but we'll get him in a minute. So every piece and part of this dish really does blow my flavor taste buds off in many great ways, and it's an adventure in eating, and definitely a dish if you've never tried this at a Chinese restaurant. I've seen it on the menu at many other places, so it's not an uncommon dish. And Jung's Golden Dragon 2 definitely does a great version. All right, here we go, the last bite. Just like we destroyed that, go ahead and destroy the subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment below. Let me know what you thought about all this. And hey, while you're down there, check out the link to my Patreon account because, hey, I do work for tips. And I appreciate any help with that. And share this video with any of your contacts because that really does help me. So the total was $21.16 before tip. So that was a lot of food. Now, dinner time is a lot more expensive than lunch. Lunch, they have some really affordable prices. So the lunch is definitely the cheaper price. So now we're going to head out the door and have some more adventures on Magazine Street that will be in videos later. So stay tuned for that. And remember, the link to the Joey K's restaurant review will be at the end of this video. So make sure that you check that out because that's virtually right next door to Jung's Golden Dragon, as it's just one building over. But thanks so much to Jung's Golden Dragon for many years of good food. Thanks to all of you for tuning in and watching, especially to my Patreons. And tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people.
Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you would just click on the little circle here with a picture of my head in there and subscribe to the NOLA Gent channel, it would really help me a lot. I really appreciate it. Thank you.